Magnets have guided humanity since they were first used by the ancient Chinese for feng shui. Over 1,000 years ago, magnets first led sailors to distant shores. Today, ultra-powerful magnets created from rare earth metals galvanize our 21st century existence, enabling us to turn wind into electricity, to peer inside the human body, to carry the knowledge of all the printed books in the Library of Congress on a single hard drive. But the world's population is growing. Energy consumption is increasing, the demand for neomagnets is ever stronger, and the rare earths we need are scarce and hard to obtain. Until today, rare earths have been mined from the planet, a process that's complex, expensive, and highly polluting. And when a product reaches its end of life, we throw it in the garbage, losing the rare earths it contains. Mankind has always recycled. Recycling cans, papers, and plastics is a well-known and common practice in our society today. But less than 1% of the rare earths in end-of-life products are reused. Today, our garbage goes through a coffee grinder process. We can only separate out the rare earths through melting at high temperatures or using powerful chemical solvents. Finding a commercially viable and environmentally friendly solution has remained a challenge. Thanks to a decade of research and investment, Urban Mining Company has developed revolutionary new techniques to recycle rare earth magnets. Techniques that can replace the old mine-to-surface-to-waste model, reducing carbon dioxide emissions by 11 tons per ton of magnet produced, and that reduce energy consumption by at least 46% when compared to the traditional way magnets are produced today. Instead of digging into the earth, Urban Mining Company will mine and harvest the 600,000 tons of magnets locked inside the products that industry and consumers throw away. Using Urban Mining Company's cutting-edge technology, we can remake those magnets so that they are better than before, fit for the high-performance and high-efficiency technologies we need today and tomorrow. Once more, magnets can lead us to new shores, powering green energy and greener transport, building the technology that will guide us on into the future.